Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Ecwid store on Google Sites. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account if you're not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding Ecwid to Google Sites. What we're looking for guys is right here in this article. As you can see on the official ecwid.com website, there is an article, the best way to add e-commerce to Google Sites. So you have multiple ways. You have the option for embedding a store as code into your page visit, which is in the best way. You also have the option to embedding a store as a page for yourself, but this also isn't the best way. What you should be doing is the instant site option and subdomain. So basically guys, all Ecwid stores have free storefronts, which is called instant site, that are accessible from the web. So you can open up an instant site. As you can see, you can get started for free. You can open it up and get started in just half an hour to create your website. So once you're satisfied with your instant site and you want to use it as a subdomain, you can follow the steps right here to place Ecwid instant site on a subdomain and use it in your Google Sites. Using this option right here is going to enable you to put it to Google Sites and anybody will be able to access it right there. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.